So over the next couple of years, it's very clear that the software industry is going to go through fairly major upheaval in a transition from box products into more software as a service models. We saw an announcement from Adobe just this week that they're ending, some of their most popular box products in preference of a hosted and subscription-based model. And that's not unique. There are many other companies that are either augmenting or replacing completely their traditional software products. So this presents a number of concerns and challenges both to the SaaS vendors as well as their customers around, for example, data protection, residency, compliance, and all those issues. And in many ways, the industry as a whole is also still trying to catch up. The regulatory industry is trying to catch up, trying to understand what does it mean to be compliant with PCI and HIPAA and Sarbanes-Oxley in a world where it's not just your SaaS provider that's on the hook, but the underlying infrastructure provider that they're hosted on that needs to provide their systems. So a big piece that we've talked about here at the conference and in part of the security and risk panel is this idea of shared responsibility and what a SaaS vendor needs to be aware of with regards to going to an auditor that understands that and can really appreciate the differences of doing compliance in a cloud environment. So we'll see over the next couple of years much more understanding of that, much more of an acceptance by customers that certification from these types of organizations helps them get over their security check marks, and more people in the auditing and service provider space that have the tools in place to do that.